How to add a banner to your Discord server. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can add a banner to your Discord server. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step, open up your Discord. So you can use the web version, you can use the web app, you can use whichever you want. Just make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after you're on your Discord, just head over to your server. Go to your server, and on your server, all you have to do is press on this drop down button. It's right beside your server's name. And inside there, you'll find your server settings. Head over to server settings. And on your server settings, you'll find a lot of different options. There you'll find a banner. You can change the banner color from here. And if you want to add new banners or stuff like that, you can always do that by boosting your server. And yeah, it's basically that easy. So you can boost your server from here. You can change, you can see what new features you'll get by boosting it. And you should be good to go. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.